Hello there, mathletes. Welcome back to Math Jamboree. In this video, we have another AP Precalculus type of a question from the topic of rational functions and vertical asymptote. Let's solve it together. In the xy plane, the graph of a rational function f has a vertical asymptote at x equals 17. Which of the following could be an expression for f of x? So if you're talking about a vertical asymptote and rational functions are in the format of a over b, right? Let me rewrite it more clear. A over b. And in the question, they said that vertical asymptote, x equals 17. Vertical asymptote is related with the denominator, which is the value b, must have an expression that's when you solve it for 0, that's going to give you 17. So it must be x minus 17 then. Why? Because, let me show you. When I solve x minus 17 for 0, I will get x equals 17, which is they indicated in the question. So we're looking, a doesn't matter, numerator doesn't really matter. We're looking for x minus 17 in a rational function with a denominator with x minus 17. So when you look at the choice A, this denominator didn't have x minus 17 in it. We can go ahead and eliminate the choice A. Choice B, it has x plus 17 in it. When you solve for 0, this becomes x minus 17, the vertical asymptote, and it doesn't work for us then. In the choice C, we have these values. Neither these has x minus 17 in it. In the choice D, these cancel each other out. We needed that because we need only asymptote x equals 17. And if you look at it, this expression is what we're looking for, x minus 17, in the denominator of choice D. Therefore, the correct answer for the specific question is choice D. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. If you have questions or comments, you can always leave it below there. Thank you. See you next time. Bye-bye.